For thousands of years, people believed toothaches were caused by tiny worms eating holes in your teeth, and when the pain got unbearable, you went to the local blacksmith to have the tooth ripped out. As far back as 5000 BC in Sumeria, and in China, Egypt, and Europe, everyone believed cavities were caused by toothworms gnawing inside the teeth and gums. They tried smoking the worms out with burning mixtures, coating teeth in honey to lure them, or chanting spells. Nothing really worked. The pain continued. When nothing else helped, people went to the blacksmith. These strong metalworkers had the tools and strength to yank out bad teeth. No training, no pain relief, just brute force.
This was dentistry for centuries: myths, pain, and blacksmiths. It wasn't until the 1700s and 1800s that science replaced worms with real understanding of bacteria and decay.